Me hear some whole heap of certain fans I rejoice about a few shows we cancel for Alkaline. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Gaza, what me did tell you say? Don't ramp with J Progress. Me tell you know. You know, see me make sure tear down all defense pan the Gaza and left the Gaza wide open.
2,000 years later.
Me never did want to say it, but somebody have to say it. The Gaza love running for other artists' strength. But Gaza fans, me tell you something. Vice Cartel and Mavado good, but Gaza and Gully side no good.
One eternity later.
Hello, hold on there. The boy will live in him car. Him buy him ticket yet? Me actually feel sorry for the Gaza.
Why are you crying?
I'm gone. And it not to come in like Sunfest did kick. Sunfest come and gone and not to come in like Sunfest kick. You know never show the movie for out in a for mobile. But you know come in like Sunfest keep a rascal.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People, wagwan, I don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man. You know, so if I'm with you, I use J Progress as a Gaza, man. I beat the Gaza scene. And see some people say, yo, Media Fox, way. J Progress, this and that. But I just say, go, I just live. Same like when J Progress usually say things about Alkaline. And we highlight it. I see him so when he beat the Gaza, which is theme camp. I see him so we are going to highlight it at the end of the day now. I just say vibes, the entertainment. You understand? So I just saw a touch, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, but you don't know one Media Fox, so you know Media Fox got to work already. You see me? At the end of the day, pick up everybody with your support. You see me? See you in the comment section. You see me? Yeah. I'll if you not rate Media Fox, big up yourself, can still a comment and still a watch a video them. Don't. Yeah, man, cause anyway you take it as support. Same way. You see me? Yeah, you might not agree with some things, but I just say go. You see it? But big up on yourself there same way. You see me? Cause I could have upload the video and not watch it. But when I watch it, don't. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself. You see it? But we're going to the video now.
Me hear some whole heap of certain fans I rejoice about a few shows we cancel for Alkaline. Hold on. Let me drag on your memory. You don't even realize that right now you have countries that the fans are calling for Alkaline just because they want a challenge in them country from the Vendetta boss. You don't realize that. You don't realize what going on Guyana. You don't realize what going on Barbados. You don't even realize what is going to happen in Antigua. Me tell you already, you know. Me realize the fight where Alkaline get. But me ask myself, how that youth are still in the game?
Yo, me nah lie still no people. J Progress in tune, you know. He might watch Alkaline, you know. He might see the impact what the youth are doing, you know. Yeah, man, and there's a challenge going on. You understand, with the Girl Good and the Lala. You know, you don't know from UK to Barclays Center to Guyana. You don't know Barbados last weekend. This weekend, which is Sunday, we're going to have Antigua is another challenge that, so look out. It nah go normal, people. You understand? So yeah, man, a real thing in my talk. Is it?
And then me realize, Alkaline always give us some vital information in him song them. If you start listen to Alkaline song them properly. Alkaline say him have the formula for dance all. All if your name one believe him, you have to believe him, because he's still there. When every artist who is an artist with a name did a fight him. But Alkaline is still here. Me never see a dancehall artist where the country citizens them a ball for him and say them get jealous when them see the love and support when get in another country and them want to do it. That come like when I show speed and make him Caribbean tour, and if best vibes him get at a country, the other Caribbean country want to tap the vibes there, and that I reach Alkaline.
Yo, you know, say the same thing me I say with you. Yeah, man, for real, man. The people them. Cause if you don't realize the Lala thing and the Girl Good, you see me? Yeah, man, them a wait. Antigua wait, you know. And tell me who else await people. Trinidad, you don't know that August the 22nd and nothing normal. Alkaline I got tear down Trinidad. Remember me tell her that people. I know nothing normal, man. Now go see what go on. You see it.
Barbados did want tap Guyana. No Antigua want tap Barbados and Guyana. Plus what go on in a New York. Every one of them want tap. Alkaline. If I never did believe all along say Alkaline have the formula for dancehall. Now me believe would that dumb if me not talk. Gaza, what me did tell you say? Don't ramp with J Progress. Me tell you know. We must make sure tear down all defense for the Gaza and leave the Gaza wide open. Bird season for the Gaza. Bird season for the Gaza. I freed up you by Gaza argue it. See there? We don't think I know foot hype and running back. The whole of the defense tear down. Every blogger out there who are running for the Gaza long time. It's free. Freed up your body argue it. What about defend the Gaza? Me did one, you know. We must make sure tear down all defense by Gaza. And J Progress no one size up with. You see, blaggers where war all long in the foot hype.
Yeah, that me yo, me see man them left for J Progress like a foot type. Man them have this up here now to bomba. And it's so funny says I just a bag of money, you know. But all you can find a woman out there, bro, where different cartel the real way, bro. But I don't know dog. I don't know the man do it, me G. Man them quick for put up video and I not see woman them do it, brother. Me sometimes I wonder me G. I say, bro, I don't know how to do it for video on yourself every day, you know. And video. I diss up a next man. Fear next man, bro. Like all the time. I say, bro, judge a youth. I tell you. I wanna say something. I say, bro, I don't know how to do it, bro. I don't know how to do it, me G. You see me? Sometimes I have to make you woman them do it to man. Judge a youth. Some of the time I don't get too emotional when it comes to Vice Cartel, dog. You see me? Vice Cartel will forward out and say something. Show him shades them and cut. But me don't know with Uno brother. Judge a youth. I tell you that. Uno dangerous.
Now that J Progress not over the Gaza. If you take on foot hype, what we know what do? Remember, you know, all along from foot hype about Vice Cartel and everything, foot hype not normally called Vice Cartel name. Right now, foot hype called Vice Cartel name. Brawling. Over Gaza, we take him on. What we do? Remember, you know, me did it again. J Progress did it again. What we do? Me tear down all defense. I freed up over the Gaza right now. Be a paper soldier over there. Why? Me sorry for you know. Every blogger will no silence in the game all along. We make two talk and we no corral them and they run go hide. What happen? We no think J Progress are going to run go hide. See them now, no defense tear down. Bloggers are running from every angle we want to run in long time. We did one, you know. Who are defend Gaza now? Vendetta, we have no Vendetta and no blogger whenever they can lend them. Just we stand up on the front line where somebody will see them and say, oh, me know him from the Vendetta line. Me I'll give them a blind. Your turn back.
Yo, dog, me I tell you people, if you don't say dancehall and nice to bomba, something wrong with you. The man say, yo, the vendetta flag and nobody feel it. Yo, J Progress, look at the man. If you see shipper sink, oh, you go help it. You can't save everybody, brother. You understand? You can't save everybody. We see what going on Titanic. I know everybody could have saved. You understand? I mean, not think no vendetta vlogger I go rep for the Gaza. You understand? Because vendetta say loyalty. You understand? So, I don't know, brother. Jaja, God go with them.
What? Genocide now have no black over the Callout in Gaza. It was only a matter of time, man. We no bully too much black up on the app, man. Anybody say nothing about Vice Cartel. 100 million. Gaza here. Me did tell you no, J Progress is no regular blogger. Right now Gaza weak. Bird season. Free dopey. Yo! What is Jaja? Me did tell you no. I will not do it, you know. I will go take on J Progress now. Every blogger say the defense match now. Every angle. Attacker will come from now. See there? Foot I see you we're clearing, just walk through. Make me see what you go do now. Like you don't have no defense at all. Me did one no, but you never did one here. Me never did one say it, but somebody have to say it. The Gaza love running for other artists' strength. But Gaza fans, let me tell you something. Vice Cartel and Mavado good, but Gaza and Gully side no good.
And that is facts. You understand? Beg your pardon. See? Because remember, you know, people, a real thing in my talk. Remember when Mavado show cancel. I'm here, Gaza man them. See, man, I say, see there? Yo, them man, weak out, dog. Wait. See the show cancel. This and that, the man up on Vice Cartel level. Remember when Sunfest said Gully Gaza. See? The man and them realize them the expects are right. As it goes the Gully Gaza thing dropping up. Them feel like say the next day if it does say sold out. When the next day forward now, or a 2 day after, him and them run out. Yo. Actually, a Mavado make it Sunfest ticket now sell. So I say wait. Then no Mavado and Cartel. So oh yeah, put the blame alone on Mavado. Them a say no. Mavado. No, them a say Cartel sell out the ticket them last year. But through this year now Mavado and him a do a show. And Mavado make a ticket now sell. Them no rate Mavado. Uno soon see. Them no rate Mavado. Actually Mavado I do the Gully and Gaza thing. You understand? One night time the man them a say, yo, Cartel, yo, he not get no show. Cartel if you give him show. Yeah, man. Me tell them no rate. Una go see. Wait till all of the Gully and Gaza show them done. And I go realize what me I talk about. Just wait, cause I go there if you play clip them. You understand?
You think the Gully side trust or no? Or you think the Gully side forgot what you do to Mavado when Vice Cartel be a prison? Hold on. You really think the Gully side forgot? The same lazy artist, the same fall off artist, the same artist when have no lyrics, the same artist where can't only sing, the same artist where Lego dancer when hold on. You think say the Gully side forgot what you do to Mavado when Vice Cartel be a prison? What you think? You think it's a Gully Gaza thing now? Wait, what never do? Run go for Gully side strength? Gully side I work with them own thing. Mavado and Vice Cartel good, because my brother from long time, before even the Gully and the Gaza. But Gaza fans, remember, you disrespect everybody. Remember, tomorrow morning we can go see Vice Cartel and Bounty Killer good, but Bounty Killer will never be good with the Gaza camp. Because Gaza fans disrespect artists all the while. Remember, at the same Gaza fans, me here tell Bounty Killer to go suck out him dead mother. Imagine how disrespectful that is. Gaza fans and look on a man like Bounty Killer will bring Vice Cartel to the forefront. When no matter what one, Vice Cartel still have respect for Bounty Killer. Can you say the same about the Gaza fans them? Mr. Vice Cartel got Bounty Killer birthday party the other day and a big up Bounty Killer and a show gratitude. But guess what? That is after a little waste man pan the Gaza, we say my Gaza blogger. Tell Bounty Killer to go suck out him dead mother, Miss Ivy. Whether you know how disrespectful that is?
But you see the thing, bro, them man no care, my G. Them no care. You understand? See one Kevin, this up much artist. Him love take people picture and put up and create some false narrative with the people them. But when you check Cartel, I said him lying. You understand? So it no matter, bro. Them man I bring down the most artists, my G. Look at when Keznam they win the Grammy. We all the man them go and nothing forward out a crash out. This up Grammy. I say, yo, look at Cartel been through. Man do this in a prison and re. Man them no want no other artists make it. And that me I tell you no think a joke. Yo, if them people, if them man they have some power. You understand? All one button or have every like have button if you control certain things or one controller or something. Brother, a problem in this. Remember me tell you that. Them man no want see no other artists get certain credit and certain things. You understand? Just through Keznam me get the Grammy and Vice Cartel nominate for the Grammy too. The money would have bring down the whole organization, the whole Grammy. Remember me tell you that. You understand? But it's just time and reality. Because sometimes I don't even like talk about them things, I just want to just play out in a real life. You understand, people? Yeah, man.
So when the Gaza thing say no, we have merry reunion. We can go get the gully side straight now to go fight everybody will come after Vice Cartel. It's not a Gaza and a gully side thing. It's a Mavado and Vice Cartel thing. Mavado and Vice Cartel good. But gully and Gaza no good. Gully side member everything where the Gaza fans do and say about Mavado when Vice Cartel they are prison. Just like how they do to Bounty Killer. Disrespect right through. Remember how know the uncle blogger where they ever tell artists go suck out them mother, you know, and artists are Batman and artists for this and that, you know. And who know the uncle fans ever do it, you know. So Gaza fans, the strength of what rely upon now, because all our no defense still don't think that gully side will come to no aid. God go with no. Gully side so no depa no one. The reunion between Vice Cartel and Mavado, not gully side and Gaza. Uno member good. Gaza. Will it tell you no? The Gaza ship will be sinking. Who are going to the Gaza right now? Who?
Why J Progress say that? The man say, look, the Jano dog, away man him to J Progress. Jaja yo. But me don't know still, me hear a little narrative, and I say, yo, them I say J Progress vex because Vice Cartel no give him a lion. Me I say, give him a lion. But J Progress, I do this long time before even Vice Cartel forward out. You understand? Him have YouTube channel. You see me? Him make money. So, me don't know. You understand? Because at the end of the day, me never yet see J Progress really go live on TikTok. For y'all. You see me? I wait on a lion or nothing. You see me? So, I just one of them thing there. You see me? But him a talk him thing. You see it?
Hello, hold on there. The boy will living in car. Him buying ticket yet? Anybody know if the boy will living in car buying ticket for take that little holiday there? Hold on. He can go through America Customs. You don't know if he can go through one airport. Me there, I'm still await. The whole internet still await when the boy living in car to buy one ticket and take a holiday. God, Jamaica for just a weekend. That not stop nothing. Me send you to Lion. God, Jamaica for a weekend. Go on Friday and come back on Sunday evening. That not take nothing off for nobody. You're a Gaza blogger. All the Gaza fans them willing to buy you one ticket. Pack your suitcase and go on a holiday. Guys, me still there wait.
One Kevin, him talking, you know. Yeah, man. Cheerleader.
You see, when the top Gaza black with their own this, everybody, go through one America airport, make we see. Draw your suitcase through America airport and make we see if you can go back in America. Since you're full of so much chat. By the way, when last you got Jamaica, my friend? You know what Jamaica look? You know so they have toll road from Miami Bay go straight to Kingston. When last you got you know what going to Jamaica? You know no family down there. Nobody no want to see you. Go Jamaica for one weekend, man. And go back a Flatbush go cool out, man. Make we see you back in your car blog. Me tell you already. Me buy the ticket. You want a lion? Me send a lion. Turn on your lion. Me send a lion. Me send the money to buy the ticket with a lion. One little weekend. Go Jamaica one Friday. And just jump back in one Sunday. That not take nothing off for you. One little weekend. You can go Jamaica and go back in your car go blog. Make we see that. If you ever go through an American airport and come off an American style, your days are sitting down blogging in a car and dissing people is over. Remember that. So you see, no for no there every day I chat off on the mouth. And they in a place where no uncomfortable and unstable. I want this everybody pan the app. My friend, me say it already. If you want the holiday, I will buy the ticket. I know many people will buy your ticket too. Take a weekend off of American style. And if you think you're bad, leave America style and go back in America. Make we see that.
So you hear that one, Kevin? Yeah, man, you have a what you call it? Yeah, man, you have a deal. You understand? Yeah, so one Kevin will sit down in a car every day. Buy a ticket, fly go Jamaica for a weekend and forward back a Flatbush in New York. Yeah, is it?
Me actually feel sorry for the Gaza. When did the Gaza go into this? Would I never expect that the Gaza would have people advocate for the Gaza, a rep for the Gaza, and them brain wired differently. When them come out here on social media, as they claim they're an ambassador for the Gaza, them a talk about hood in a mouth, them a talk about man a climb on man, them a talk about man a fuck man, them a talk, everything that come out of them mouth is about man. It reach a stage where the Gaza defense tear down. When me see some old man we fear watch them grand pitney or I try eat 2 cookies, I go put them fast teeth in a cup to soak. They out here with phone and cuss to the Gaza. The Gaza have to even go drop his senior citizen to fight with the Gaza. When the Gaza reach us up? Cha. When did the Gaza reach a stage when the Gaza have no defense at all? The big bad Gaza where the black afraid of. Black would even call them name, but right now, if a black can run in on the Gaza, nobody on the Gaza will defend the Gaza. What?
Brother, man them weak out, brother. Man them can't do nothing, my G. I just be a fishy anything them talk about, my G. None of them man them no potent, brother. Them not potent. Them not even a advertise artists in a way where can make the artist look good, my G. Every day them forward, them just get up and just cuss some man and everything like say, yo, them a girl. Everybody forward out and say some book cartel them run out. You understand? That's some joke thing, brother. You see me? Joke thing. You see it?
I Massacre never did wrong. The Gaza ship really sinking. Why? I hope you can't swim. I don't have a life jacket.
I'm gone. And he not to go coming like Sunfest did keep. Sunfest come and gone and not to coming like Sunfest keep. You never show the movie for out in a Farmobile. But you know coming like Sunfest keep a rascal. Since time Jamaican across the world. You know say when you look back on the situation and Sunfest, you know say Gaza and Gully, better if them they just keep, better if them they just use them 2 artists there. And me now said that like say if there's an artist they will perform like them no work, them no perform good, them perform good, you know, them work, you know, but why me say better them just they use it 2 artists, Mavado and Cartel. And I like say them evil do a great work. No, them use there's an artist them they just put together with Cartel and Mavado. Them just alright, why me say that? Why me say better them they just use Vado and Cartel because them say Gully and Gaza night, Gully and Gaza show. Just use them 2 artists there alone. We're not going to book either as artists because the whole point, you know, the whole point, you know what a Gully and Gaza moment. So not just get some other artists we just put with them for making no look nowhere. As some me see. You know just you get some other artists we just put with them.
Brother, that to me come like is a Gaza show, my G. That is like 90% like a Gaza show. And let's say Gully Gaza, Mavado are just 10%. Are just Gaza. You understand? And that is why if you check it, it was just all about the Gully and Gaza thing. Because if you check it, alright, if you check the artists them, well the man them not even older. Most of the artists them, if you check it, Ishana Gaza, Sean Starmer Gaza, Shana China Gaza. See? 2 of the artists were there on the show. 3 of the artists. What name? I don't remember what name. You have a youth that are down sound artist basically. The female with Joe carry up on the stage, a female artist that what name? The long time artist there. You see me? I think him did do a tribute on the show. I don't remember what name. You see me? Him come from Scare Them crew. Is it? No. Type in a chat with him name people. Him come from Scare Them crew. Him did up on the chat. A Joe you that him they run a Joe every day. One of them artists back in the days usually go on with him thing. Harry Toddler. You understand? Then the other rest, I just Queen Africa alone. As a reggae artist, what you can say? Queen Africa alone. And Jamal Gaza, Sean Starmer Gaza, Ishana Gaza, Shana China Gaza. You understand? And the other rest them are mostly Joe people them. A Joe artists them basically. The other 3. And then you have Queen Africa. You understand? So I'm not really much. You see me? I'm not really much like that. So it's just a Gully and Gaza thing, as me say. You know, if you check it at Gaza, most of them artists are book a Gaza. Them not really book no artists where we say can move a show a real way. You understand? But as I say, the people them love the Gully and Gaza thing, them enjoy it. You see it?
It no look no way, no look no way. But overall, a Gully and Gaza night, a Gully and Gaza moment. We no plan Sunfest. A Gully and Gaza night, a Gully and Gaza moment. So we not just get some other artists we put with it, no look nowhere. Cause I know thing, I know Sunfest that we not just use the name and use the night in a Sunfest month or you understand so. No sir, that is not Sunfest. That is not Sunfest. We not just use the Sunfest name for pretty it up. A Gaza and Gully night. A Gaza and Gully night. A Gaza and Gully moment. We not just get some of the artists for put with it. For polish it off. And the next thing, Gaza, we not have a book Cartel son. You see what I say? We not have a book Cartel son. Him just get best young DJ award over Caribbean something. And we not have a book him and put him on the show. The show say, look like he not to be recognized in a Jamaica to rascal. And his father not to call him up and say, this is my son. He might come.
That, you know, say that for real. I say, yo, I don't see, Cartel not really call up him some of them for certain show. You see me? Him not really, you know, at least give them a little highlight on the stage and thing. You understand? Yeah, make people know them. Me not too see him do it, really. You understand? Cause him could have go and do that and make people know say I'm son and, you know, make people give a look in, but I don't know, Cartel must know about that.
Running place, he might come take his place. He might go be the next. He might go bad like him father. And him get best young DJ award over Caribbean. Not over that Cartel, not over say to rascal. And when people talk about Cartel and talk about his son, people go and like say, I rate people, I rate them are these people, like this, them are like people, not like them. No, when the people them see truth and see what go on and see facts, them are going to talk about it. Oh, vex, oh, please. But I just my point that oh, feel away, oh, comment, good or comment bad, me no business. And my platform this, no look for this, because I never did book for this. One voice like that.
People big up on yourself, you know, you don't know one media facts, man. You have to stay safe out there, is it? Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. That is it.